What's going on, y'all? So we went on it out to Rush Off-Road over there in Rush, Kentucky. Had a pretty good day. Now, this ride was a little different than most. It actually had a little meaning behind it. So for those that don't know, there used to be an old dog that roamed Rush Off-Road, and its owner lived on one of the ridges next to the off-road park. About this time last year, someone ran that poor dog over and left him on the side of the trail for dead. And never told nobody. No one knows who did it or anything. As far as what I've been told anyway. So today was a memorial ride for him. So this, as you watch this video, just kind of be mindful. Watch out for people's kids. Watch out for people's dogs. Not everyone's out there to go 100 mile an hour all the time. They're out there just to hang out, have a good time, and get out of the house. And some of them like to bring their kids and dogs with them. So just be mindful as you're on the trails this year, and hope you all have a good year, and hope you enjoy this video. Alright, so as you see here, we got ourselves a drone now. I do need to work on being a little more smoother with it. I've only had it for a week. I was anxious to get it out and test it out in the real world. So bear with me. Hopefully we'll get a little better here. And sadly the drone doesn't do sound, so that's why I gotta do the little voiceover thing here. I think the better drones do sound, but this is a little cheap Walmart drone. So with that, you know it's a cheaper drone. But it does good for what it is. I mean, I picked this one up for $200, like I said, they're at the Walmarts. Maybe later on it'll give me a better drone, but as of right now, I'm going to make this one work. So hope you're okay with that. Let's get back to it. Now here the side by sides are leaving the playground. Pretty cool little view here. I mean, you get a little above view of them. You don't really get that too often or see it too often. There's one group through, then we got another group right here. Actually pulling out. We caught them. The playground hills don't look so tall when you got a drone above them, do they? Yeah, I figured some of y'all might like that little angle, something a little different. Let me know your thoughts on the drone footage down in the comments. I definitely need some feedback on that. Thank you.
See a whole bunch of company. Well, they got a little beagle.
They got a whole pack of them.
Turbo.
Alright, so as we traveled our way over to Three Pole, we found another YouTuber there, Bush Wookies. Go check him out. He's just getting started. I'll leave a link to his channel down in the description. This is actually him running the RC right now. He seen me getting out. He came over to talk to me about it a little bit. I just handed him the controller and said, "Here, you go try it out." And he seemed to enjoy himself with it.
I am right here. Look at it. Okay. Whoa, look at the flex. Holy shit. What the? Stop, Bob. What? Oh, not yet. Hey. Stop.
Oh, it pissed on your foot.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No.
What kind of deal?
It's a standard noodle.
I got you. It's got some flex. Bro, I think it can. Wait, that thing's got a GoPro on it. I just don't realize. You say you got $200 in it.
Oh! That looks like Delton. Oh, man.
Hey, he's got a dip.
Dip works.
This thing is.
No, in reverse.
Got my GoPro.
Hell, I got this change. This is hard, man.
Just give it a couple clicks. Should be in park. It's got 4 steers.
Oh, yeah, dude. I just done it.
Back over it.
Oh. He said if I send it down the hill, I got
It already. What? Alright, now let's go. That's not bad. Like that. Old puppy boys. Is this drone right there? No.
Dude, you missed it. I was second.
Alright, so this is our drone view from a 3-pole. I didn't get real tall. Those power lines for one made me nervous. And that the wind was windy. Now I got back a hold of the RC here. And he wanted to record me there and put it on his channel. So I'm go right ahead. So here's that.
Oh,
Baller.
you guys should have done? Bring that forward or hole you guys came. That would be a ball out here.
Hey, thanks for making it to the end of the video. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And then you gotta go down in the description, go over to Bushwookie's page, and go subscribe to him as well.